Hello winners and welcome to this live trading analysis for EURUSD, Pound USD, Pound Yen, Pound Gold, USDCAD and USOIL. We are supposed to be live at the moment. It's supposed to be. Then we are ready to go, ready to jump, ready to jump after whatever's happening in the market. I am just here to help you understand what is going on in the market at the moment. So yeah, let's go. Let's do it. We do this together so we don't make unnecessary bad decisions all together. My name is Ewinningstrategy, Forex trader, economist, and helper, helping you to become a better, successful Forex trader. That's all why we're here. Okay? So let me take away some of this things. Hello, Kasim. Hello, Marie. Hello, Jackie. Hello, Ads. Hello, Sammy. Hello. So, is there any pairs you want to cover today? Is there any? What do you want to see? Like me and Sam has just blown his mind. So what Sam said, Sam said that I should give away 1 hour of Forex training every week. So I was thinking, so what if throughout the Saturday video there is a keyword somewhere or a bunch of words that you have to make correct, so that just in case there is any bots who automatically comments and someone who doesn't want to enter because maybe they're already in the mentorship group, so another one doesn't want to enter, so I'm thinking let's have a keyword for that throughout the video, and there will be one winner for those who comments within the first hour, and then a winner for whoever comments, I don't know, within Wednesday, I guess. So we have a couple of days to do it. So within the first hour and then within Wednesday, I think that's good. Thank you for your time for this live video listing in the background. Okay, I will just talk that. Yeah. So I think that's a way to give back to the community for you guys commenting and liking. I don't know who likes. I can only do the comment section. So maybe that's something within the first hour. So please say yes giveaway or no giveaway. So yeah, then I see if you're up to it or not. All right. Morning, Terry. Hello, Jay. Hello, Jackie JU. Ga Nianzan Nam. Hello, Peter Louis. Hello, love you, gold. Okay. So I have then a request for. Let's see if it stops. Okay, just me. Okay, so that's all. Then we have what? Which is first? Which is first? First. EURUSD. Okay, EURUSD. What is happening to EURUSD? You know, I'm still hoping for that bearishness that never arrived. Sabev said that this is good. That it doesn't break out like, which I would normally anticipate, like we're coming out here and then we're going back down again. Well, that's not, but that's a higher low, and we didn't get down to the area to buy this week. So I have a couple of ideas in my brain here. I am generally thinking this should be low to buy next week. Are we setting up a high to go lower next month? That would be interesting. Okay. We have a request here, is EURUSD buy or sell? That's a very interesting way of putting it, but since we are retail traders, some of us maybe, then as a professional trader, I'm not going to look into is EURUSD a buy or sell. I'm looking into, I want this to go up for whatever reason, and does it agree with me? Okay, so currently EURUSD is heading higher, so technically EURUSD is a buy. Okay, but does that fit your bias? Maybe not. If it fits your bias, then where are you buying? Okay, so we were coming down here. I said, that might be a good area to buy. Then this is your area to buy. This is your area to buy. This is your area to buy. So if you're a buyer, you should be in one of those pullbacks, okay, before going higher. And then the target is 110.60, done. 110.60, done. That's how easy it was this week for buyers. But I'm a seller, so I didn't get anything this week. Okay? I hope you heard that, because that's interesting. I'm a buyer, now I'm a seller, but I didn't get any entries. I'm done. Fast and furious. That's all. Okay? Then what's going to happen next? Well, that depends on what you want to happen, but generally is buy. That's the target. Then you would like it to come down maybe again to test 1010. That would be awesome. So yeah, I think that's EURUSD for you. What is it supposed to do? What do you want it to do? That all depends on how you're fundamentally. I'm trying to show you something here. Okay, so what is really happening technically here? Okay, so technically that's at resistance. That's a break of a new high. That was yesterday. That is just continuation. So when is the next resistance, you might ask? You're coming into resistance at 110.50 and 111 and 111.50. 111.50 is maybe the strongest one. So if you come up to 110.50, you might be coming down again, and then 110, 111, you're going back down again, and then that's your pullback areas. So you don't buy at 111, but you want to come up there, and then you wait for it to come back, then you buy it again. Okay? Can somebody tell me where the likes is today? Like, what is the update on the likes? I have 7 likes with 29 viewers, and I just gave you the profit target for the week. Then I just gave you the entries for the week, and where's your stop loss? Just below previous low. Then you're good to go. All right. So let's continue on the mission for pound dollar. 2 people has requested pound dollar. Okay, so what is happening here? Okay. Okay, so what is happening here? We have here a new low. We have here a lower high. We have here a higher low. We have here a higher high, at least for this trend. So this small trend here is technically still bullish. So just 12 likes, people, and 29 viewers. Okay, don't want me to dance? No, I'm just joking. Well, you want. Oh, I didn't remember that. Okay, so what was the plan for this week? So if this was to take profit for the month, this is the month, what do you want to happen? It will go higher. So since we now stopped here and you bought, you're a buyer, since this is your higher low, this is your take profit, done, dusted. If you then get here early, what are you then expecting? You're expecting it to come back down here again before going higher. So technically right now, pound dollar is bullish, but not as strong as EURUSD. It's middle. It's like, I don't know if I want, it's like that friend that really doesn't want to, but you're kind of just trying to drag him. Pound Swissy, not much. Okay, so you mean that it doesn't happen so much. Okay, so pound dollars, yeah, trying to go higher. I think that if we are maybe back at 123.50 area, cementing this resistance, oh whoops, we might then fall, at least for something, in June. Okay, just a general thought. All right, then we have pound yen, pound dollar is done and dusted. Sorry, that's what I wanted to tell you. Done. The trade plan is over. Let's go. I haven't looked at gold. I haven't looked at gold. Really, I haven't looked at gold. So, what was our trade plan here? Double bottom, higher high, higher low. Okay, let's see. Double bottom, higher high, higher low, buy. Higher high, no higher low, higher high. Oh, okay. So, is this a good sell? First of all, that was the trade plan. That was a counter trend. That's the next plan, I guess. I don't know, but I guess that. Why? Because that's how market moves. But then, what are you thinking for June? What are you planning for June? What are you wanting to happen for June? Okay? You have to plan ahead. You know, I hear you talk about June. What do you need to happen next? Well, we are actually 28th. Today is 28th. Can you see 28th today? 20, not there. Okay. So today is 28th. Let's go through that then. Okay. Today is 28th. Tomorrow is 29th. So you have one more trading day of May, and that's the 1st of June. So what do you really want to happen? What are you planning? Give it a wild guess. Don't say it's going to do, but say, okay, if EURUSD or gold in that matter, if gold is high, it is in bearish mode, it's making a series of lower lows, lower highs, and it's high, you're selling at resistance. Good. But if you're a buyer, you are seeing a price coming down, lower low, lower high, but you think this is it. Okay, what do you then need to see? Okay, in your plan then you say, okay, I need a reversal, I need a higher high, I need a new higher high and then a higher low, and then you're good to go. Okay, your JC Louis. So what is really your plan? Set it down, give it to me in the Discord channel, and we can go through it. Maybe that should be the giveaway on Saturday. I will review your trade plan maybe. I started Enrico Pascal says, really nice video as usual. I started to follow your analysis a couple of weeks ago, and I have to say that I'm learning so much. Awesome! Well, it's only going higher, Enrico. Can you just have me excuse? I just need to open the window. Is that okay? Yeah, let's open the window. So, there you go. Now everyone can hear me, but it was so hot in here. So thank you, Enrico. I really like that. I really love that. So yeah. So gold, what is happening to gold? What is gold doing? This is bearish. What do you want to see? You want to see a higher high if you're a buyer. If you're a seller, this is awesome. If you're a seller, this is awesome. Then you just continue mission downwards. Simple as that. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, gold is done selling. That's kind of what I would expect for a buyer. And then if you're wanting to buy again, you need a new high. That's that. All right. Hi, Abraham. Nice to see you too. Then pound. Who else is gold? Really, I'm just doing gold right now. Mima said pound Swissy. Who else? Jackie says pound yen, pound dollar. Peter says high E. E. That's awesome. So where should we go next, people? I think I can go to pound yen to just do pound. We have done pound. Then I will do pound Swissy. Okay. I have a preliminary entry here. It's a demo entry. Why? Because I don't really like a new higher high, but it's kind of okay. I can do a demo just to see it. So this is really the entry where it will enter, and then definitely an entry here, and then just to see if it's respecting the market conditions of being bearish. And then if it doesn't, it doesn't. That's like, yeah. So I have a demo trade as well. I really want to, like, I put it as a trap for myself to remember that I have demo trades. I can do demo trades, and when I'm not necessarily wanting to put real money into it, I can prove that I can also do demo trades. I don't need to always have money into it, because when I feel, when it's not 100% trade, it's like 50-50 or 60-40, whatever, I don't feel it so much. I can just see, okay, did it go well or did it not? Then I will gather that information and say, when I feel it's a 50-50 trade over time, am I really right or am I really wrong? So is 50-50 trades are really 50 trades? Meaning, is it just me saying step back? That's what I want to find out. So I have some hypotheses in my own trading, sometimes around. Euro New Zealand, CAD yen, USDCAD. I can do USDCAD. USDCAD is being quite. Ads, can you tell me? Can you help me? Quan Huang? I don't know how you do that A with the thing on top. Huang. Yeah. Anyways, welcome, by the way. I'm much appreciated. So for pound yen, we are really somewhere here. Hasn't really taken profit, is bullish, is really at resistance at 132.80, 133. It depends what it's going to do next. That really determines what the next move is. Alright, then I want to do pound Swissy. True. Yeah. Oh, okay, alright. Doesn't obey my bullish move. Okay, this is bearish, Mary. Looks like it, at least. This is way more bearish than the others, at least. and Sabev as well. I hope that you're listening too. Okay, what do we see here? Double top, lower low, lower high. I really want this to be end of a trend, not kind of in a range situation. So that is maybe a demo entry then, just to see how it goes. But I really want this to be higher, like it has to be up here, for example. Oops, it has to be up here. Like its trend is going higher, coming up, make a double top, lower low, sell. But down here? Yeah, potentially. And then I would say, okay, you can sit on the sideline. Awesome. I think that's a good decision. Murray. I think that's a good decision. How are y'all doing? How are you doing? No, how does Joey Tribbiani say it? How you doing? So yeah, basically 19. Is it 19? 19 is an entry. 119 is one entry. Then to sell. Is it really a buy? Well, maybe, but you really don't like that low though. So any close above with a candle above, then that's kind of more bullish. So we are really in the area of, is it bearish, is it bullish? So yeah, so you're really allowed to sell there. Yeah. All right, then let's continue move more. So is it bullish or bearish? I don't know. Take profit, not really anyone yet. And yeah, I think that's that. Do you understand? Did I give you good enough? Did I give you good enough feedback, Marie? On pound Swissy, pound Swissy. Pound Swissy is not much going through with this pair. Well, I agree. Selling buys, sitting on the fence, sitting on the side. That's a good decision. Okay, then we just wait for market conditions to be with us. USDCAD has been requested. Okay. Okay. So who did GMB? GMB, and GMB, and GMB. You're really wanting USDCAD. Okay, here we have USDCAD. Okay. So what are you on USDCAD GMB? Are you buyer? Are you a seller? Are you looking for something for the next month? What is going on? All right. So I will sit and wait until those USDCAD people has entered the market, has entered the chat. Okay, I can hear that you're pulling up on that one. Sound good. Then we should wait. So gold is kind of in a bearish mode. Pound Swissy is kind of in a bearish mode. EURUSD is a bullish mode. Pound dollar is a bullish mode, is it? So bullish. Okay. I really hope you didn't say that. Because you're wrong. How can I say you're wrong? I can say that because we have broken out. Okay. Okay. So let's do a new chart. What do you see here? Let's see. What do you see here? Okay, good. What do you see? I see support. I see resistance. Support and resistance. I see low, low. I see low. I see breakout. I see pullback. I see continuation. It can also go all the way up in here to 139.50 before falling again. So Mary, you say you're still confused. Okay, So to sit on the sideline, I said that was a good decision. Wait for it to be clear. Okay? Wait for it to be clear. Don't force it, don't rush it, don't just sit on the fence. That's okay. That's actually okay sometimes. You don't need to trade all the time. Okay? Good. The control is you're in the fence, you're in control, not the market. I really wanted to buy gold and want to think it's gradually coming back up. Yeah, Yasin, but it's not. You're forcing it. Okay, you can be bullish. That's totally okay, but you're forcing it. Kunmar, I really don't want you to buy gold. You can, but well, okay, yeah, that was a pullback, but that's just a counter trend. So you have really high risk of buying it, okay? So you need to know when you are in risky trades and when you are in good trades. When you are in good trades, so this is a good trade to sell. This is a bad trade to buy. Why? Because we have broken resistance. Okay? We are now consolidating because we have gone too far too fast. Now a spike up, then sell. That's the only thing I see. Okay? Sorry, guys. That's life. Then I would like to come a bit higher, but no, it's not going to go higher. Why should it go higher right now? It's at a new low. Why are you fighting lows? Why can't you just follow the market? And if you're buying, why didn't you buy it here? Buy it here, buy it here, buy it here. Why are you buying here? Okay? So you really need to straighten up yourself. But you can look for one, don't do it. So, yeah. What's the target, Mike? It's already hit this week. Then you have to wait for next month, for next week. So, that's on Sunday. That's on Saturday. Then we know what we should do next week. But doesn't sound 138.5 sounds very good to me. Pull back to sell next month, trade USDCAD. That's a good one. GMB, you really need to have a discussion with me on how to trade, because that is one of the most dangerous things I've ever seen. Not ever, but a dangerous strategy. Because what if it falls? Because it's bearish momentum, okay? The momentum is bearish. So instead of trying to fight it every time it goes up, we can just follow the trend instead of fighting it up. So when this starts falling, it's a freight train. Do you stand in front of a freight train? It takes 2 kilometers, 2 miles to stop a train. Maybe not a good idea. Maybe not a good idea. So, what's really the target for USDCAD? Well, we will know later on, but I think we're going down to... yeah, maybe down to 36, maybe? Yeah, I think 36 sounds like a good idea. Down to 36. Okay, good. Done, dusted. Abraham, why do you say buy or sell? Das asks if it's advisable to buy gold. No, it's not. Not at the moment, not anymore. Since people are discussing gold, we can discuss gold then. Okay, let's remove. Okay, okay. Can I just say something? I know maybe I shouldn't say it, but I have a mentor. We have a student here who is trying to find really deep analysis of gold, of what gold is doing. Me and him are working on finding a very good system on where and what to do with gold. Generally, specifically nowadays, but over time as well. So what we have come come to conclusion is it's actually quite difficult. Gold is a quite difficult thing to understand at the moment. So a US retail trader are trying to fight me and my knowledge. Okay, fine, that's okay. But I can generally say we bought here, took profit here. We have a new low, stop. We have a lower high, sell. 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 Take profit, done. Go home. Specifically, that price of 1702. Go home, sellers. Do something else. Okay. Now we set up a potential reversal. Okay, we have inverse head and shoulders. Okay, we have a higher high, we have a higher low, buy. That's a counter trend that you have. New high, buy, new high, buy, new high, buy. Okay, so when are you starting to take profit? Maybe here, because it tries to make a new low now. Okay, so you're out now. So now that trade is over. Okay, that trade is over now. You made your profits, you're done. If you want to buy it more, you want price to be above 1336. Okay, 1735. That's the rules. That's what we'll do. Until then, it's a sell. All right, that's done. CAD yen. We can do CAD yen. Okay, CAD yen. Killed it on Bitcoin, Connor. Awesome. Share your profits. Not show your profits. Share analysis. That would be awesome. Let's see who said it. Abraham. We have buy area, profit target, done. We have another one that is taking profit for the week. Boom. There's nothing more to do. If you are looking to buy it, you might looking it down to 78 maybe before going higher. Have you broken out? You still haven't broken out. Okay, you're still on daily not breaking out. On the 4 hour, does it matter? You have broken out on the 4 hour. You have closed that gap here with this one. So yeah, okay. Maybe wait for a new pullback, I guess, down to this high here at 77.80. Then you can go higher. But right now, no. Oh, it's done. Done, dusted. Euro New Zealand has been requested for quite some time, I can see. Okay, so I can do Euro New Zealand list. So, what is happening here? So, where were you on Monday? Sunday open. Then that was your entry. That's your target. Done, dusted. Awesome. That's that. Okay. So, what do you want to see? What are you, buyer or seller? There is Salman is here in New Zealand. I forgot it. Irani is on Euro New Zealand. J is on Euro New Zealand. Okay, so Euro New Zealand people, what are you looking for? 3 people should answer now at least. Okay. What is happening here? Tell me. No, what do you want to see? Tell me. In the meantime, as you can see, my channel has been monetized since last time. I thank you guys, everyone, for joining this channel. I just want to say, everyone who's new here, there's a subscription bar below. There is also a like button if I have given you help, if I've given you some targets, if I've given you some advice. Then also, this webinar does not contain investment advice, should not be considered to be so, is only for educational purposes. Trading Forex is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative for future results. Whatever money you have invested in the Forex market can be lost tomorrow or today or right now. So, stay small, stay humble, and yeah, be happy and have a system, have a tradable, have a profitable demo trading before you go live with your money. If you are a bull on your New Zealand, is really an interesting thing to be bull on, I must say. You are trading weak trade, strong trade, and that's what we see here. We are consolidating. Euro and New Zealand seems to be strong together, okay, at least this moment. So that's why we're not going anywhere. I don't really want to okay, fine. So you have a double bottom, higher high, higher low. Okay, maybe that's your entry here at 77.60. Buy until 82. Okay, 82. Yeah, okay, fine. Enjoy. Okay, fine, enjoy. But I really would like this more first before, like a close above this high. But okay. Abraham, can you kind of DM me personally and then we can take it? Yeah, I think we can do that. Okay. So DM me and then we'll go through it. Yeah. So yeah, okay, sounds like a good plan. It's in the lower side. Okay, so stop loss below here. Okay, good. Let's move on. That's okay. If you want to sell, it's not a sell at the moment. If you want to sell, there's nothing to do here. No business to do here. Views on the euro pound. Pound. Okay, so what are you, nobody? Padati Podapati. Connor, what are you talking about? You sold at 108. Like, oh, you're New Zealand? Yeah, sounds like a good deal. Did you take profit at 76.50? Because you're bouncing off, unless I believe you should take profit now, because it's trying to go higher. So who is it, Navadeep? What is it on? Um, 89.60. So we are bullish on euro pound. Just need to wait for you guys to comment, really. So apparently I'm just looking at that. Okay, fine. So you are previously a stock trader and now into Forex. Awesome, welcome. I hope you also are in the Discord channel. That's a pullback to buy. That's trying to get a new high. Then you want a new high. Then you want a pullback, and that's that. Yeah. So really, I think that this is a fake new low. In terms of, it looks to be a new low for sellers, but it's really, it should actually come lower. It should actually come down to 88.60, I would say, instead of 88. And then we're just trying to go higher. What's the target, Mike? At least target was 90.50. But yeah, congrats to Connor. If you want to short euro pound, you have no business to do. If you want to short euro pound, you have no business to do. Why? Because it's bullish. Higher low, higher low, higher low. Supposed to come down here to create a higher low. New high, not higher high, but it's a new high. So it looks to me it wants to crash up. No, want to go up higher. Okay, that's that. What's the next pairs, mate? What is the next pair you want me to do? So yeah, so the reason why I want to continue now into the next one is because there's no business here. There's no reason to sell. It's bullish. It's broken out. It's going higher. But if you want to see this fall, you need a new low. New low. Then maybe here you can look into it. But it's not really something that's a nice setup. I'm just going through Aussie CAD was requested earlier. Okay. Do you still want to do Aussie CAD rally? Yeah, okay. Okay. Actually says Aussie CAD. Awesome. Awesome, mate. Awesome. Okay. Interesting. Okay. You sold at 91. Okay, I'm not looking at the chart. Okay, I'm looking at 91.15. You sold halfway, going up at 191.15. Okay. Look to me right now. It's so first of all, you are 30 pips in loss. You didn't sell at resistance. You sold at support. This is resistance, so you should be small loss. Price broke above your resistance. Now this is your last hope of resistance, and if it closes above 69.167, it's no longer a sell. So generally you didn't sell at resistance but at support, and price is going higher, which is Aussie CAD. Okay, then in what kind of market conditions did you sell? You sold a new low. Okay, that's good. And some kind of reversal pattern up there. Okay, good. Okay. Yeah. It's an uptrend. That's what you're selling. So okay, I guess it's an okay attempt. Entry is in between nowhere and between no man's land and yeah, so I would love you to have next time in such a market condition to have a limit order up here or here, and then see if it goes. It doesn't, fine. Yeah, I'm just saying Navdeep. Good, awesome. Because I don't know all your nicknames. I don't have your real names really even. So yeah, so it can still go lower. By the way, it can still go lower, but Aussie is strong at the moment. CAD is strong at the moment. So you're really trying to fight that. And then the other thing is, let's see if I can find. So CAD is weak, Aussie is strong. Of course, that has to happen. Okay, can you guys see that? I'll have to move that around. There we go. Okay, can you see that? Aussie is pink. Oh, you can't see that. Aussie is pink and CAD is the red one. So Aussie is way stronger. No, Aussie is way stronger than CAD. So if Aussie is way stronger than CAD, then this should go up. Okay? Great. So I wouldn't sell it. I wouldn't enter a selling trade right now on Aussie CAD. GJ. Okay, we can do GJ. Okay, fine that one. I'm just checking if there's anything here that I need to know about. Okay, good. Let's continue. What is it, GJ? Okay, I've done GJ. Okay, so I just want to go back to my life on my phone so I can see your beautiful comments. Da da da. All right. What kind of understanding do I have here? We are in a bullish market. Aussie is strong. CAD is weak. You sold here. Maybe take your loss and leave. I don't think it's going to go down. You are basically at your last resistance. That's all. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Pound yen is now turning bullishish. Oh crap! Look at that. That's fine. All right. So EURUSD is going for the races then. Okay. All right. So currently right now we have a new high. We have breaking out. That's interesting. But yeah. Let's do that. So pound yen. Okay. I had my limit here at 12.43. Okay, we're seeming to break higher. Okay, that's okay. That fits the overall sentiment of risk on. What is risk on? Risk on is when USD, yen, Swissy, goes down. Euro, Aussie, CAD, New Zealand goes up. Okay, and then also pound sometimes. So when USD is weak, yen is weak, Swiss is weak, that means pound dollar should go higher, pound yen should go higher, a pound Swissy should go higher. Swiss is its own different world then. Okay, so what are you looking at right now? You're looking at that is a high, that is a higher low. You're looking to the next pullback to go higher. And I would really say that, okay, pound yen. And yeah, we are kind of turning around, I would say. This is a line in the sand for, yeah, we've done that already. That's a line in the sand around 133 area, and then we will be continue to be bullish if we break above that. But until then, I don't know. You bought, okay, fine. That's okay, that's cool. That's understandable. Target so far is 133.50. I think that's okay. I think that's, so what's your price base, Quattro? What's your price? So while I'm waiting for this lovely guy to comment, because there's a delay in the thing, I just want to say that that's take profit, that's the buy, that's done as well. Just want to make that short, that we are not buy Aussie. Well, Aussie should have been bought down here, by the way. Coming back down again, buy. Yeah, still waiting for him. 132.36. Okay, let's do that. That's quite late, isn't it? Anyways, I want to help, so let's see. 132.36. First of all, I want to acknowledge that you actually said the price to me. I want to acknowledge that, what do you call it? That humbleness. Also, I would love you to think that since this happened, you would really buy it down here. When you see red candle and it stops, so in this area, specifically here, you're thinking I would buy here. Okay, so what do I see? I see new low, new high, higher high, higher low, that's a good buy. 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 So you have all these entries here. You might have been stopped out by this one. Then you can do the same exercise here. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So what you have done, fine, you have done a higher high, higher low. Good. But then the first entry should have been down here. And that's kind of what I want you to take from it. Should you close it? No, you shouldn't, but I would love you to next time have a bit lower. That's all. Then what's your target? Target should be 133.5. No, 133.35. 133. Yeah, 133.40. Okay, that's okay. Thank you, guys. What else? Which other pairs do you want me to cover? Let's see if I can just... So what other pairs do you guys want me to cover? Unless we can go through the dollar pairs, which I have said I need to do this video. So just a small recap, we have Aussie dollar, we have buy area, target, done, price comes back up, back down, that's the buy area for buyers again, that's that. Hi Habib, but hi, welcome, amazing, thank you for joining. Lovely to see you. Have you done UJ? I have not done UJ. I can do UJ. Okay, EURUSD is reaching higher, taking profit zone here. I would then expect it to come down before buying again. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Fine. Doesn't matter to me. Pound dollar is going higher, has already taken profit for the week. So Aussie dollar has taken profit, euro is about to take profit, gold has taken profit. That's 1, 2, 3 pairs. New Zealand hasn't. USDCAD, 4 pairs. 4 pairs has already taken profit. We are about to hit new ones. All of this was sent out on Saturday. Just saying for your free information. USDCAD, no USD yen, not going anywhere. USDCAD color, I have done that. Yeah, it's done. It's taken profit. It's basically okay, let's do the profit thing. On Saturday, on this pairs I've mentioned now, gave you the targets, gave you the entries, and you now should be in profit. And you should not have taken profit, you should now have gone home. Okay? For me, every single week, putting out targets for you, and you might say every half week, every second week, you might get your way, and the other way, and the other week the other gets their way. Okay, fine. Like I've been right since January. I sold in January, I sold in February, I sold in March, I sold in May. So, you know, we're swimming. Of course, not so much, but we're still swimming in the correct biases and in profits. So, you know, we are growing every day, every week. Not this week, though. It's been against me, so just waiting. USD yen is in a range, and it will stay there until it breaks out. I have said maybe lower breakout, maybe higher breakout. This one is not performing at all. I really want you guys to trade if yens, Aussie yen, CAD yen, Euro yen, New Zealand yen before even considering doing USD yen, because it doesn't give you pips, it doesn't give you profits. Like if you bought, let's say here on Monday open, that's Monday open, you have gained 6 pips. Okay, you have given 6 pips since Monday. But if you traded Aussie yen since Monday and you bought it since Monday open, blindly opening, you have taken profit 154 pips. You're welcome. I've given you this one on Sunday, live at 7:30 p.m. GMT +1, or is it 1:30? 19:06. 1:30 p.m. American time, and Australia, Asia, that might be a night, but you can see the next morning, at least the live afterwards. So yeah, take profit, done, dusted. Okay, CAD, done, dusted. Euro yen. Okay, I didn't do that. Okay, apparently. Why is it gone? I did it. I did it. Well, I guess that's a profit target then, because it stopped. Maybe Euro yen is up there then. Okay, fine. I did it. I don't know where it did go. Anyways, it doesn't matter to me anymore. I just gave you profits on Aussie yen, CAD yen, Euro yen. And I know I have done it on New Zealand yen as well. You're welcome. Namaste. Told you to take profit. Huh, mate? You're not mad at me. Ba, I think me and Ba needs to go into counseling. Our marriage is cranking. I said I was angry at him for making me take profit. Price opened up, I think it was it 10 pips lower? From Friday close to Monday morning, and then went up after that. So I said I was angry at him because I could have gotten 10 pips extra. But I closed the trade in profit of 100 pips. We can go through it then. 100 pips, I got it. Well, 1 hour. Okay, let's do it. I sold here Friday. Is it Friday? No, Thursday evening. I closed the trade here, and then it opened up. This is a gap. It opened around here. And then I said I was angry at him. It was for fun. But I could have gotten this. I could have. 64 pips. Okay. But anyways, that's for our counseling, our private counseling. I've never been angry at you, but we make we make pips together, and if you guys want to see what people are thinking about me and my channel, I have an Instagram. It's called Ewinningstrategy. Where do we go? So if you want to see, so I post today. So I posted today some opinions of what people think about what I do for them. That's that. Just my humble opinion. Ewinningstrategy on maybe a different one. Okay. Yeah, well, interesting. Ewinningstrategy on Instagram to see. Yeah, but honestly, about good trade, amazing trade. We did it. We got profits, and we will do it again. We will do it again. I am so sure we'll do it again. Pound yen is also breaking higher. Okay. Habib says you're trading gold. So gold has taken profit for the buyers for this week. It's really over. That's the take profit. That's the buy run, and then that's the sell area again. If you are a buyer, you need to wait until 1735, close above there. Until then, it's still a sell. Okay. And then there is this new feature where you can pay, I don't know, $1 or whatever you want, to have your comment pinned, and then I guess it's the more money you pay, the more longer it pins, because now I go through pairs. So when you go through pairs, people that's lost. So if you want to support me, that's okay. And if you want that to stick, so I get to your pair first, that's a way to go with. And then I will just try to accommodate the pairs in my presentation as best as I can, I guess. These analyses are gold. I haven't seen you around. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for liking this this live. So we are 29 people right now. How many likes do I have? I have no clue. I can only see 7. I can actually see no likes at all, by the way. But my phone, it doesn't say on my phone. So can anyone tell me how many likes it was on this channel? On this amazing, apparently, video, according to DWAS. So can you tell me about gold bottom? Apart from that being a new low, that's all. It's not a reversal. It's just profit taking. You shorted gold and yeah. Okay. It's interesting. You're still with the trend. You might want to close that and re-enter. I don't know. It's okay, but it can still rise, by the way. It can even go up to 1731 and still be bearish. Okay? That's like the last line in the sand. You can still go up to here and still be bearish. But not so bearish, but still technically bearish. Just 8? That's not nice, is it? Or 27.8? 26. So we have 29. So we are, yeah, welcome, Habib. We are from Pakistan, okay. Welcome from Pakistan. I think we have more people from Pakistan in this place. You're not the only one in the first one, but yeah, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. I'm happy to help you. And if you do feel like I help you, then the like button is where you would love it to happen. All right. Then any other pairs you want me to cover unless we're then done? I've been here for an hour. I'll try to help you, every single one of you. We have 29 views still. I just want to be helpful. So any last thing you want me to go through, it can be something I've done already. It can be something completely new. So in the meantime, I just want to say the reason why I do these lives is not for my own personal gain. It's just for me to help you so you can become better, because it really hurts me to see that 60% of EURUSD traders is selling when the market is bullish. So let's see my motivation here. EURUSD is bullish. It makes a new high today and 64 is selling. I don't understand why. I don't understand why when the Aussie dollar is bullish and 64% is bearish. I don't understand why 62%, 63% of USDCAD traders is bullish, but it's still bearish. Okay, it's a bear, it's a new downtrend, it's a new low. Just catch the pullback to sell. That's all you need to do. But for some crazy reason, we're going to continue selling off USDCAD because there's still sellers. No, there's still buyers on USDCAD, okay? So, why? That's why I'm here, to help you understand that shift. Don't sell when it's bullish. Don't sell when it's bullish. Don't buy when it's bearish. Zinibad. Awesome, thank you. What's your pound? What's your thought on euro pound? Okay. Since Mima is such a lovely lady, she says euro pound. Base quarter, you basically need to go to my Discord channel where you can discuss there. Euro New Zealand, S&P 500 says James Hibbert. Okay, so euro pound I have said is bullish. You need some kind of reversal, you need a new low, pull back, new low, pull back to sell again. Unless, no, apart from that, that's a new higher low. We're trying to go higher, at least tried a couple of minutes ago. Seems to be failing, but it can still just do this, then continue higher. So since I've still said that a bullish area, you need to break below this area around 89.50. Okay, that's the moment of death, either for buyers or sellers, depending. So don't sell here. Wait for a new low, then the pullback. If you're a buyer, this is where you look to buy again, if it now turns lower. That's that. Target. Target is 90.40 or 87 flat. Euro New Zealand. That's a buy area. It's not a sell area. If you're a seller, you need to go be higher or you need to break below. So if you're a buyer, that's the only way. If you're a seller, you need a new low. Okay, breakout. All right, let's continue. Let's go to high. S&P 500. Last one. Let's Forex. We're going higher. Yeah, good. We're going to go higher. We're going to continue higher. We're going higher, and there is no bearishness left in S&P. Buy it. Yeah. It's not investment advice for me. It's not my personal opinion. What is my personal professional opinion? My personal professional opinion is this is bullish. This is making a series of higher highs, higher lows. Breakout from the consolidation. That's all. That's all. Hi, but Mr. Butt, Shahrukh. I think that was a good one. So thank you guys for joining in. Thank you guys for being here today. I have absolutely had a blast. We have been here for 1 hour and 10 minutes. I think that's good for you to have gotten some ideas. Then it's just to go back in this live session. Come back when it's ready to make comments. Then you can come back later, give it a comment on this video, what you learned, if you find it ever useful, if I should do this again. This is the first time I'm here at 3:30, 3:45. Do you think this is a good time to be here? Let me know in the comment section when this video is done. Until next time, don't risk money, not of truth. Trading Forex is risky. So, awesome. See you guys.